What is up, everybody? So, you have added and want to sell products online using your high level account. And you're probably at this situation right now where you created a funnel, you have an order form on that page, you created a product already, right? As you can see, I have a $97 product, and you have this right here where it says no payment method available, and you cannot basically sell anything, right? So this means that you have to connect your payment processor inside your high level account to collect payment and be able to charge for products online. How do you do that? Go into your high level account. Okay. Then we're going to go to the bottom left where it says settings. Or actually, you can actually go straight to the where it says payments, and then go all the way to the top right where it says integrations. And then here, you're going to be able to connect your payment processor. Okay. The most common ones, of course, are Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, NMI. They just added Square, which is great. So you can also add your Square. And then if you click on search more, they do have other payment processors that are just now available. So as you can see here, we have they just added like Clover, I saw. So Clover private integration, you have it in here. Paystack, so you have a lot of stuff in here that you can create. But for most of you, the easiest and probably the most one that is going to be used or most popular is Stripe right here. So you can click on where it says connect, and then all you're going to do is you're going to click on this little blue button where it says connect with Stripe. It's going to open up your Stripe or an actual browser with Stripe login, and then you're going to be able to use your username and password for your Stripe account, sign in, connect, authorize, lead connect your high level to connect with your merchant processor. And then once you have it connected, you're going to be able to sell products online just like how I do. So for example, this is one of my sales pages. And as you can see here, you have all these options here. Once you connect Stripe to collect payment using that payment processor. Okay. So that is how it's done. Stripe is probably the easiest one because it's a simple, just putting your login information and then hit connect and authorize. There's other ones like, for example, PayPal and Authorize.net. If you do click on connect, you're going to see there that you're going to have two options: a live, basically API or key or login information that you need. So, for example, you have here the login ID, transaction key, signature key. These are little bits and pieces of information that you're going to get inside your merchant processor account to just plug and play in here, and then click on save, and then you're going to be able to use it. Now, as you can see here, you have two sets of these guys. So there's a live version and a sandbox version. Basically, the live keys, right? The live login ID, transaction key, and signature key will be different than the sandbox. Live is everything that is real. So, for example, if you are actually going to charge someone $97, you're going to make sure that you're using the live one. And then if you want to use or run test transactions, you're going to want to add the sandbox information, right? And they're going to be completely different. And to find these API keys or these specific things that you need to make this connection, you're going to go into your merchant processor. So for example, I would log into my Authorize.net account, and then there in the settings, you're going to be able to find it. Sometimes High Level actually gives us the guide. So if you click on here, where to find my keys, it's going to go to that specific support article and show you exactly how to get your signature key, transaction key, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so that's how it's done in regards to Authorize.net. I do know also that PayPal does the same thing. So as you can see here, there's a live and a sandbox client ID and secret ID that you need. And then if you click on here where it says how to find PayPal API keys, sometimes this is going to be accurate and up to date. Sometimes it's not. As you can see here, this one was last updated in 2021. So I would just quickly search up how to find my PayPal API keys step by step, and then you're going to be able to see that inside your PayPal account. Okay. After that, you just got to copy and paste it, hit save, and then you're good to go. Once you do that, you're going to have an account that is ready to basically collect payment. And you're going to see here in integrations, once you have that, there's going to be one that's going to be default. So if you do connect multiple ones, there's going to be one payment processor that will be default. In this case, I have my Stripe connected. And then as you can see here, it is successful when you see that instead of that connect button, you see that manage button. Okay. And that is exactly how you connect your payment processor to your HighLevel account to collect payments for any products that you have selling online through your funnels inside your HighLevel account. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, if you find this valuable, click on the like button. Comment down below anything else that you want to learn inside HighLevel. I'm going to be doing basically breaking down the full software from top to bottom. And any questions you have, I'll be more than happy to do a video on it and show you how that's done. All right, guys. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video.